So hi guys, this is from Yes, and in this video we are going to solve the sum and difference of two numbers in C, that is on the Hackerrank website. So before we are going to start with this problem, I have something to share with you guys, that if you are watching any of my video, then please watch till the end, because it takes a lot of effort from my side to make even a single video. Okay, so let's take into this problem. So what we need to do is, we have this task over here. We need to declare four variables, two of type int and two of type of float, and then we need to read two line of input from using the scanf, and then we need to use the plus and minus operator to perform the following operations. Okay, so what we need to do is, we need to print the sum and difference of two int variables on a new line, and then we need to also print the sum and difference of two floating variable rounded to the one decimal place on a new line. Okay, so here is the sample input and here is the sample output. So this is the just the sum of 10 plus 4 is equals to 14, and then 10 minus 4 is equals to the 6. Okay, so we have two integer values and two decimal values. Okay, so let's take into the my solution. This is just a simple problem. So what I have done here is, for the simplicity, I have defined four integer variable over here. One is a and b, and then I have used the sum and sub, that is going to hold the value of subtraction and the sum of a and b. Okay, I have initialized both the variable with the 0 value, and then I have declared a float variable over here. Okay, this is the c and d and s and su. Okay, so after that, what we have done here is, we have used the scanf, and we already know that we use the scanf for just getting the input from the user. Okay, so we use the %d and %d for taking the integer values, and we have used the %a and %b for referencing all these values to the a and b variable. Okay, then we use the sum equals to the a plus b. We use the plus for just getting the sum of a and b, and then we use the subtraction like minus for getting the subtraction of a and b. Okay, and then we have assigned both the values to the sum and sub variable. Okay, then we have just print the value of sum and sub on the output screen, and here we use the %d and %d, and we have just referenced the sum and sub variable to the %d and %d, and then we have used the /n. Why we have used this /n? Because we need to print this value on the new line, and then we need to come to the new line so we can print the decimal sum and subtraction as well. Okay, so we use the s variable, and in the equal part we use the c plus d, so we can just get the sum of c and d and store into the s variable. Okay, and then we use the su equals to the c minus d, then so we can just get the subtraction of c and d and store in the su variable. Okay, so then we have used the printf. Again, let's note that we already use the /n over here, so we don't need to use /n here, and if we can also use /n here, and we can just remove from here also. Okay, so I have used this percentage and then use the 0.1f. Why this is? Because this is the syntax where we can use where we just need to get the floating value, because the problem is saying the same, is that we need to just the floating value to the one decimal place. Okay, this is the line here over here is, and so we use this 0.1f for just getting the one decimal place onto the output screen. Okay, so this is the complete whole solution. I hope you just get the idea about it, and we are going to just submit this code, because I have already solved this problem, and this is my solution that I have explained to you. And if you are watching this video, then please subscribe to the channel, because there are a lot of more videos coming in the way that will be beneficial for you for learning the programming and the coding part as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. We'll meet you very soon with the next video. Bye bye and see you again.